What if the reason you clicked on this video right now at this exact moment isn't a coincidence, but the universe screaming at you to pay attention because you're about to miss the most important message of your entire life? Stop everything. Close your eyes for just 3 seconds. Take one deep breath and ask yourself this. Have I been seeing repeating numbers? Have unexpected obstacles been blocking my path? Have I been thinking about someone and they suddenly contacted me? If you felt even a flicker of recognition, write in the comments right now. I received the sign. This isn't just participation. This is acknowledgement. This is you telling the universe, I'm listening. I'm awake. I'm ready. Because what I'm about to reveal will explain every strange coincidence, every unexplainable feeling, every moment you thought this can't be random that you've experienced in the last 72 hours. And here's the truth that's going to shake you. You're right. Nothing is random. Everything is a message. And today, the universe sent you the sign. The one you've been unconsciously waiting for. Do it now. Right. I received the sign. Because in the next 12 minutes, you're going to discover why you were guided to this video. What the universe is trying to tell you and exactly what you need to do about it before this window of divine timing closes forever. Listen very carefully because I need you to understand something that's going to change how you see everything that's happened to you today. Every single thing that led you to this moment, the thought that made you pick up your phone, the scroll that stopped at this video, the curiosity that made you click, the fact that you're still watching, none of it was you. It was the universe moving through you, orchestrating, guiding, pulling you here because you have a message waiting. A message so important that the universe had to collapse time, bend reality, and orchestrate 1,000 invisible synchronicities just to get you here right now in this moment. Dolores Cannon spent over 40 years accessing what she called the subconscious, the highest, wisest part of ourselves that exists beyond time, beyond space, beyond the limitations of our physical mind. And the subconscious revealed something that scientists are only now beginning to understand. The universe is conscious. It's alive. It's aware. And it's been trying to communicate with you every single day of your life. But here's what most people don't know. The universe doesn't communicate the way humans do. It doesn't send you a text message. It doesn't call you on the phone. It speaks in a language that transcends words. A language of signs, symbols, synchronicities, feelings, knowings. And when you learn to recognize this language, when you become fluent in the universe's way of speaking, your entire reality transforms because suddenly you realize you're not alone. You've never been alone. You're being guided every moment of every day. Now, let me tell you what really happened today. Let me explain why you're here. Something shifted in your energy field. Maybe you don't even know what triggered it. Maybe it was a dream you had last night. Maybe it was a conversation. Maybe it was a thought that suddenly appeared in your mind. Maybe it was a feeling you couldn't shake. But something changed. And when your energy changed, you sent out a signal into the universe like a beacon, like a flare, like a lighthouse suddenly turning on in the darkness. And the universe responded immediately, instantly, without hesitation. It began orchestrating events, moving people, shifting circumstances, all designed to deliver a message directly to you. This video is that message. I am the messenger. But the message itself, that's between you and the universe. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is. Dolores Cannon explained it perfectly. She said, there are no coincidences. Everything happens for a reason. You are exactly where you're supposed to be at this moment. You didn't stumble upon this video. You didn't randomly decide to watch it. You were led here, guided here, called here by forces beyond your conscious understanding. Let me teach you how the universe speaks. Because once you understand this, you'll never feel lost again. The universe communicates through what Dolores called cosmic breadcrumbs. A trail of signs and synchronicities that guide you toward your highest path, your deepest purpose, your truest self. These signs come in specific forms. And I guarantee that in the last 24 to 72 hours, you've experienced at least 3 of these. Sign number 1, repeating numbers. You look at the clock and it's 11:11. You glance at your phone and it's 333. You see the numbers 222 on a license plate, on a receipt, on a door number. These aren't coincidences. These are numerical downloads. The universe speaking to you in the language of mathematics, frequency, and vibration. 11 means wake up. 222 means trust the process. 333 means you're protected. 444 means you're on the right path. 555 means massive change is coming. When you see these numbers repeatedly, the universe is saying, I'm here. I see you. Pay attention. Something important is unfolding. Sign number 2, unexpected obstacles. Your plans fall apart. The job you wanted goes to someone else. The relationship ends suddenly. The opportunity disappears. And you think, why is this happening to me? But here's what Dolores Cannon taught. Obstacles aren't punishments. They're redirections. The universe isn't saying no. It's saying, not this way. There's a better way. Every closed door is the universe protecting you from something that would have taken you off your path. Every delay is divine timing. Every disappointment is divine protection. Sign number 3, sudden thoughts about someone. You randomly think about a person you haven't thought about in months, and within hours or days they contact you, or you run into them, or you hear news about them. This isn't telepathy. This is quantum entanglement. Your consciousness touching theirs. The universe preparing you for an encounter, a lesson, a completion, or a new beginning with this soul. Sign number 4, physical sensations. Chills run down your spine when someone says something. Your heart suddenly races for no reason. You feel a wave of emotion you can't explain. These aren't just physical reactions. They're spiritual confirmations. Your body is an antenna. It picks up frequencies, energies, truths that your mind hasn't consciously processed yet. Sign number 5, dreams that feel real. You dream of someone and they appear in your life. You dream of a place and you end up there. You dream of an event and it happens. Your dreams aren't fantasies. They're previews, messages, downloads from your higher self. Sign number 6, songs with messages. A song plays on the radio and the lyrics speak directly to your situation. You can't get a melody out of your head. Music is a frequency, and frequency is how the universe communicates at the highest levels. Sign number 7, finding objects. You find a coin on the ground right when you were worrying about money. You discover a feather when you were asking for a sign. These aren't accidents. These are physical manifestations of the universe's response to your energy. Now, here's what you need to understand about today. Specifically, the universe has been sending you signs for weeks, maybe months, maybe years. But today something shifted. Today, you became ready to receive. Today, your frequency matched the frequency of the message. Today, the veil thinned enough for you to hear what the universe has been trying to tell you. This is what Dolores called divine timing. Things don't happen when we want them to. They happen when we're energetically ready to receive them. So what is the message? What is the universe trying to tell you right now? Close your eyes again. Take a breath and ask, what do I need to know? The first thought that comes, the first feeling that arises, the first word that appears in your mind, that is your message. But let me tell you the universal messages that apply to everyone watching this video. Message number 1, you're not behind. You feel like everyone else is ahead of you, like you've wasted time, like you should be further along, but the universe is saying, stop. You're exactly where you need to be. Message number 2, the breakdown was necessary. Whatever fell apart recently, it had to fall apart because it was built on a foundation that couldn't support where you're going. Message number 3, trust what you're feeling. You've been doubting your intuition, questioning your inner knowing, but the universe is saying you know deep down you already know. Message number 4, it's time to move. You've been waiting, hesitating, telling yourself not yet. But the universe is saying the time is now. Message number 5, you're being protected. That thing that didn't work out, that person who left, the universe was protecting you. Now, let me give you the exact practice to strengthen your connection with the universe. Step 1, the morning declaration. The moment you wake up, place your hand on your heart and say, Universe, I am listening. Show me signs today. Step 2, the awareness practice. Throughout your day, pause every few hours. Take 3 breaths and ask, what signs have I received? Step 3, the gratitude response. Every time you recognize a sign, immediately say, Thank you. I received that. Step 4. The evening review. Before sleep, review your day. Ask, what signs did I receive today? Write them down. Step 5. The trust practice. When you don't understand a sign, say, I don't understand this yet, but I trust that clarity will come. This video appeared in your life today for a reason. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, today. Because today is a portal, a moment of heightened energy, a window of opportunity. And that window doesn't stay open forever. If you've watched this far, if you're still here, write in the comments, I trust the universe's timing. That statement is powerful. It's you telling the universe, I received your message. If you're feeling resistance right now, that's not your voice. That's your ego. Your ego's job is to keep you safe. Not happy, not growing, just safe. But your soul knows the truth. Your soul recognizes the universe's voice. The universe didn't send you this sign because you're broken. It sent you this sign because you're ready. You're not a human being having a spiritual experience. You're a spiritual being having a human experience. The signs are the universe remembering itself through you. Make a choice right now. Choose to trust the universe. Choose to believe in signs. Choose to surrender to divine timing and then act on that choice. Starting with the practice I shared. The universe responds to your energy. When you trust it, it becomes more trustworthy. You watching this video right now is not the end of something. It's the beginning. From this moment forward, everything is a sign. Every person you meet has a message. Every synchronicity is confirmation. The entire universe is conspiring in your favor, supporting your growth, loving you unconditionally. Welcome to the awakening, beautiful soul. Welcome to conscious co-creation with the universe. The universe is speaking to you every moment of every day. And now you know how to listen. Write I am listening in the comments if you're ready to fully embrace this truth. The universe sent you this sign today. Don't ignore it. It might be the most important message you ever receive.